Okay, you jump. Today we're at the BMX park. Hello friends and welcome to the Logan and Lydia show. Right now Logan's playing. Okay. Oh, it was a huge jump. He's getting a bit distracted, I think, with the rocks. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yeah. It is a teeter-totter. We could totally go on the teeter-totter. Okay. So we have, what do we have here for our truck?
We got a new truck.
Okay, so we have zombie. Put it up here, buddy. Put it on the big rock. Yeah, and we have, what's his name, Logs? Do you remember his name? Shark Rat. Yeah. Okay.
Let's open them up.
Should we open it up? Who do you want to open it first? Okay.
This guy first. This guy first, Mom.
Okay. Let's see.
He's cool. Let's open him.
Oh, yeah.
Vroom,
Oh,
vroom.
vroom, vroom.
Let's open that.
Okay, want to open this guy next?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nothing doing. Oh,
Rum, 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 rum.
Simon.
What do you think, Logs? Do you like Shark Bay or Shark Wreck and Zombie? Yeah? They're going to have so much fun here today, aren't they? Okay, let's see. Whoa! He landed on his wheels! And he did not land on his wheels. Okay. And he lands on his wheels. He's gonna come get you. Oh, in the mud. Let's see that shark.
Oh, man.
If you call him Shark Face, but really his name is Shark Wreck. And sharks live in the water. I think he'll love the water. Let's see him. See how much he loves the water.
Oh, I love it.
Oh,
I love it.
oh, you're getting me all wet. Oh. Okay, my tires are nice and clean. Are your tires nice and clean?
Yup.
Awesome. Okay.
Let's go that way.
Let's go this way. There again.
The more clean I can go up. Hey, we're transformation. Transformation, Mom.
Cool, wet track.
Whoa, let's go down here.
Oh. Oh, he fell off the side. Oh, they both fell off the side.
Okay. I'll get yours. I'll get one.
Okay.
Yours? I got yours, Mom. How about I'll have this guy, you have this guy.
You want to trade?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Shark Reef. Rex. I keep calling you Shark Reef and Shark Face.
It's cool.
Look at the bite. Speed. Rum, rum. Rum.
Oh, he fell off.
Oh, he fell off.
Oh,
he fell off too.
And you? How about we trade again?
Sure we can.
Yeah, him or this guy.
Sure. Okay.
We're gonna trade.
Oh. Monster truck. Mega truck.
Is this making a leg?
He keeps getting stuck. They kind of work better up on the cement slab, okay? Do you want to take him back up there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take him back up there.
Oh.
Do you want to have a race?
Let's go up here, Mickey.
Okay. Let's get set. Oh, no, he did not. Lydia, what do you think about all this, Miss Liddy? Hey? I think she's having fun. Lydia, are you having fun? Yeah, I know Logan's having fun. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. Right here. Okay. Oh, look at them. I think that zombie won that one. Okay. Who's gonna win the race? You sure can. I'm gonna go with shark red. Yeah. Okay. Okay. On your mark. Get set. Go! Whoa! I would say not. What do you guys think? Hey kids, I think that it was Shark Wreck. Logan thinks it was Zombie. Comment below what you guys think, who won that race. Thanks, buddy. Okay. Off to the side! Off to the side, he did. I would say definitely. Sure. Hey. Oh, okay. So, do you want to try the round bowl again?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, up you go over the hill. Oh, I knocked him off! Oh, he fell backwards. You're gonna get him. Run!
Hello.
I kind of like this one of the best ones. What do you think? Do you like this one, or the far one the best? All four out of the four of them.
The far one.
The far one?
Yeah. Now, all you have to stop.
Okay.
Let's make it to the far one.
Okay, let's make it there.
I'm just here.
Catch, Logan. Logan.
You need to go up here. You need to go up. I'm so tired.
You're tired? Whoa! Oh! Zombie made them both collide. You want me to get it? Know what it is. Comment down below.
Here.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Go up here, please.
All right.
I want this cookie.
Okay, I'm gonna see if he can make it around the bowl.
I like these guys.
1,
Look
2.
at- look
Whoa!
at
Oh, he
Yeah.
twisted out.
Mom, they're kind of cool.
Yeah? You like him, hey?
They look like ice cream. Never like this. Oh, boom them.
Okay, I'm gonna see. No, don't throw the. Let's have them have a race and see who will make it to Mummy's feet. On your mark, go! Oh! Oh! Zombie actually almost touched my feet, and Shark Wreck went farther, but then he rolled back. What do you think, Logs? We should bring our bikes here one day, hey? That'd be fun.
Oh, let's go this way.
Sure can.
Hey, don't you want to go over there?
Let's go explore the park.
How about you go that way?
Okay, let's go.
Oh, yeah, the one
Oh, look at a big mud pit just for the monster trucks.
It's swimming.
You want to put them in the mud pit?
I just want to go all the way.
We're going to start from the beginning? All right, on your mark. Get set. Monster truck, go. Oh, that looks like a good one. Oh, get them wet. Look at those tracks. Those are cool tracks. Oh, yeah. Oh, here's a big puddle coming up. Who's going to do better in the puddle? Who's going to make it through the mud bog? Oh, Shark Wreck. Shark Wreck, I think, won that one. Yeah. That's all right. We'll grab them when we get home. Okay. Oh, no. Logan's feet are going to get all wet again. And Shark Wreck is loving it. And Zombie's making a grimace. Woohoo! Oh, another one!
I like this water. Oh, I'm ready
What way are you going to go? There is a fork in the road. Do we take the left or do we take the right? What do you guys think, kids? Do you think, oh, he chose right. Do you think he made the right decision? I don't know. It's pretty muddy. Are they going to make it? It's so deep. It's so deep. And they both came out unscathed. Yeah?
How about
Logan, who do you think is winning?
this one?
Yeah?
Wait a minute. Well, when there's wood.
Totally cool. Look at those. Yeah, they are awesome. So we're actually going to go down the big decline, the teeter-totter of pit, mud pit teeter-totter. Can you have them go the other way? Yeah. And then splash into the mud. Let's see. I'm going to take Shark Wreck. And we'll, yeah, let's lift it up. And let's see what happens. Oh, he fell down. Can you make yours go straighter? Oh, let's try again. Oh, big splash. And you gonna push them both? Okay, let's get them. So much for tuning in to the Logan and Lydia show today. We've had so much fun here at the bike park. We're so glad that you could join us. Remember to always take every opportunity to use your imagination, be creative, play outside, play inside. It doesn't matter as long as you're having fun. So love everything that you do, love who you are, and we'll see you next time. Bye!